I am a bacterium. Typically, you cannot see me without a microscope because we are so tiny, but we are present everywhere. You can find us in soil, ocean, in the air you breathe, and in the food that you eat. Also on phone or tablet you're using right now to watch this video. You can even find us in your body. Relax. Some of us are very friendly and even beneficial to you, but the others may not be that welcomed because we may spoil your food and even cause diseases. Of course, you guys as humans are so smart that you discovered our worst enemy on earth. Ugh, the antibiotics. They're produced by some fungi and bacteria living in the soil. Basically, none of us can grow with the presence of certain antibiotics. The use of antibiotics is so ubiquitous nowadays, you can use them to treat bacterial infection, to boost agricultural yield and animal production. But you know what they say, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Some of us learn to adapt to the environment and even pass on the ability to our descendants and others we interact with. You probably have heard of the superbugs. Yeah, right, it's the monster that you created. Recently, we were invited to demonstrate our resistance to some infamous antibiotics. Some of our brave bacteria had to travel from comfy and nutritious homes on chicken breast, park soil, doorknobs, and human palms to plates containing nutritious tryptic soy broth medium. Whoa, a heaven full of goodies. In this test, we had to fight against 3 antibiotics, erythromycins, ampicillin, and gentamicin. We also had to earn the right to survive and thrive in the TSP plate battlefields. Some of us also entered a plate called Control, where there were no antibiotics, and you can see how happily we live on those plates without any enemies. The antibiotics we faced were strong and powerful opponents. Erythromycin is notorious for the massacre of gram-positive bacteria. Gentamicin is heinous for the slaughter of gram-negative bacteria. Ampicillin is heavily used in medical treatment against bacterial infection and is of clinical importance. Bacteria from doorknobs survive from erythromycin but die with honor in the fight with ampicillin and gentamicin. Bacteria from chicken breast, park soil, and human palms defeated erythromycin and ampicillin with courage and their antibiotic-resistant genes, but they have fallen the battle with gentamicin. Despite being defeated by some of the antibiotics, they have proven their resistance against others. As you can see, we're no longer bothered much by erythromycin and ampicillin. However, gentamicin is absolutely a fearsome opponent, and it will continue to be if humans learn how to use it with caution. Did some of the results blow your mind? Maybe you have foreseen the presence of antimicrobial bacteria in animal meat, as the use of antibiotics in chicken farms is so notorious. But have you ever imagined that we have spread to the soil and even the palm? If you eat with unwashed hands, or your kids accidentally have dirt in their mouth while playing in the park, bacterial infection can happen and there may not be any cure. Well, it's actually not my place to say this, but antimicrobial resistance is really something you should be worrying about. I would hate to see you lose this battle, as I believe we bacteria can live harmoniously with you humans on Earth.